beautiful people, welcome to MX24's Event Guide, your show plug to events happening in and around the city. My name is Afinunad and I am your special event curator. Now, I have an event for you that is family friendly, that is for the kids. Let's wrap up Ghana Month in style. And this is Time with Ananse live on stage. And I am here with Cycil Jones Abban, who is a part of Parables Animation Studio. Hi, Cycil.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. It's a pleasure being here.
Pleasure having you. So, Time with Ananse live on stage. What is it about?
Okay, so it's a program that is under the Ananse Heritage Project initiative that we launched last year. And the whole idea is to revive the culture of storytelling. You know, once upon a time, we used to sit by the fireside, tell all those stories, but all those things are missing out now. So we're just trying to bring them back. And for Parables, because we're into cartoons and animation, we gather the children every year and we tell them Ananse stories using cartoons, paper puppetry, live on stage, and all those fun things just to tell them the stories. And of course, the moral lessons are all there. So it's a theatrical event focused on children and the family, where we tell them classic Ananse stories and folklore stories, historical stories. So that is what the package is about.
When is this happening and where is it?
Okay, so it's happening at the Amphitheater of the National Theatre on the 28th of March. And we are doing it at 4:30 p.m. And so around that time, they'll come and then we just start the show off.
Now, with this whole Ananse, Time with Ananse live on stage, what is that one thing that you guys saw and you decided that is aside our storytelling culture dying? What is that one thing that you saw and then you're like, no, I think kids need this. Let's do this for them.
So we that's what has been inspiring me most of the time, because sometimes, you know, when you're in this entertainment industry, sometimes it can be frustrating. But every time you realize when you finish the program, parents call you and say, oh, our children were telling the stories home, they were singing the songs that we taught them, and they were very excited. When the show coming, I was like, okay, all right, let's go again. So it's basically the impact. And through the folklore songs that we teach them, we realize that they learn language at the same time, because we teach them local songs in a fun, engaging, and memorable way. So we realized the impact was there. They were learning the stories. The moral lessons were being impacted on the children. And they were always carrying along the songs that we teach them. So parents are like, okay, I think we need to come back again. And say, all right, let's gather them again and do this time again for them.
Do this again.
Yes.
So aside storytelling, what else are we to expect at these events?
Okay, so on that day, we have a package where we screen the latest installment of our new cartoon series called Ananse the Spy. You know, we are trying to reinvent Kwekwana in several ways, aside telling the traditional story. So there's the pilot episode of the movie that we have done, and we'll be screening that with the children. And also, in collaboration with Afrologic Solutions, we have an AR VR version of Kwekwana. So the children will come there.
Okay, so let me hold you. Let's watch a video from Parables Animation Studio, giving you more information about the event, and we'll be with you shortly.
My name is Eric. I'm with Parables Animation Studio. As you all know, this month is our month of heritage, or the Heritage Month in Ghana. It's all about the culture, heritage of Ghana. It's about history. And Parables have a program for children dubbed Time with Ananse. It's a nice or wonderful program that is meant for kids and parents as well, where we tell stories about the Ghanaian history, about folklore, and then we educate our children as well. And so I pray and invite parents, bring your watch to this event, and I'm sure you will learn a lot. Thank you. And hey, the program is Time with Ananse, where kids listen, where they laugh, and where they learn. See you. Hi, my name is Eric. I'm with Parables Animation Studio. As you all know, this month is our month of heritage, or the Heritage Month in Ghana. It's all about the culture, heritage of Ghana. It's about history. And Parables have a program for children dubbed Time with Ananse. It's a nice or wonderful program that is meant for kids and parents as well, where we tell stories about the Ghanaian history, about folklore, and then we educate our children as well. And so I pray and invite parents, bring your watch to this event, and I'm sure you will learn a lot. Thank you. And hey, the program is Time with Ananse, where kids listen, where they laugh, and where they learn. See you.
Okay, well, welcome back. And you were telling us about other things we should expect aside the storytelling.
Yes, so we have a wonderful package of screening our latest Ananse episodes. And then also we have, like I said, in collaboration with another partner, Afrologic, we have created an Ananse sandbox where the children come and interact with Koko Ananse. It's a VR, yes. And then, you know, they speak to him and he tells them stories and all that. So that will be an exhibition over there, proud to the storytelling itself. And then when we take off again, we'll be teaching them folklore music. So we teach them common songs, old-time songs, and new ones that we have created, which are always used in the course of the story. You know, Ghanaian typical stories, we tell them with songs. Yeah. So we teach them all those songs ahead of the story, main story. And then the main story rolls out, and that one we are doing the hawk and the hen story.
Oh,
yes, yes, exactly. So we are taking that one up, and we are just sharing that with the children with all the moral lessons inside. And then in the course of the story, it has to be interactive. We interact with the children. We have packages that, you know, the show is about children coming to listen, laugh, and learn. So aside the listening, you are laughing. We want to find out whether you have learned anything. So we have packages from our sponsors where, you know, when you answer the correct answer, we give it out to the children just for them to have fun and enjoy themselves at that moment.
That's very beautiful.
Yes.
How long or how many hours is
okay,
this?
so it's basically 1.5 hours. You know, children's attention span is so. By the extent, the full program is about, inclusive of the exhibition, is 2 hours. 2 hours. But the content itself is 1.5 hours, and the storytelling itself is about 45 minutes stories. Yes.
That's beautiful. But how long has this been running?
It's been running for a decade now. Yes, we've been doing it as a Silverbird Cinemas for almost 8 years. And then we went into the Ananse Chrome Tomb Festival where we're featuring it there. And then this year, we decided, okay, we're expanding the Ananse project and we want to take it national. So we spoke to National Theatre, which they were very interested and decided to collaborate with us. So the whole idea is to now move beyond Accra. Yeah. You know, we've been doing Accra for a long time, so we want the other children in other regions to enjoy. So we are taking off on the 28th. Beyond that, we are moving to other regions for other children in other regions to enjoy as well.
Oh, so it's going to be a regional tour?
Yes, we'll do a regional tour.
That is very beautiful. Yeah. I can see you've got quite some number of sponsors on your event. If you want to give them a shout out.
Yes, I would like to say a shout out to MX24.
Your shop plug for events happening in and around the world.
Thank you so much. We also have Let's Be Kids. They are giving out toys. It's a toy shop at East Legon. They want to, you know, children love toys. Yeah. Yeah, so they are sponsoring us with toys. And then we also have Yomi Yogurt also coming on board to share some drinks with the children. They don't want them to be sitting for 1.5 hours there a drink. Then we also have Indomie, who is also on board. Kids' favorite. Yes. And then we have other TV networks supporting us. And there is Kairos Africa Afrologic Solutions providing the AR/VR technologies, and then I'm trying to remember them.
That's fine. If you're sponsored, we don't mention you.
Yeah, all the TV stations, yes.
Anyway, so the rates for the event is 160 CDs for adults and 100 CDs for children.
Yes.
Now, if you want tickets, dial *889 *1010 hash. *889 *1010 hash. Go ahead and select option 3. Use the promo code MX24TV in small letters. MX24TV in small letters, and grab your tickets. Make sure to come with your entire family and let's end Heritage Month in style. Do you have any last words for us?
Yes, so I would like to encourage all parents to bring their children. We're going to have fun. Seriously have fun. And it's not just a fun, you know that they will learn. And this is something culturally authentic. We are talking about promoting our culture, our history. So we want to imbibe in them that sense of responsibility, being patriotic. All of it is there. So let your children come and let's put aside the Captain Planets and stuff. And
Captain Planets, but right now they are not watching it. Coco Melon.
Yeah, you know, let's do a local Koko Ananse and other historical figures in there. Let the children start talking about them. Yeah. Then we can grow the industry from there. So come in your numbers, all of you.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll definitely be there. Yes. Come in your numbers. Let's support Parables Animation Studios as they give the kids a time of their life. My name is Afinuna, and this has been MX24's Event Guide, your sure plug to events happening in and around the world. If you want your event amplified on our platforms, visit us at mx24.app/event guide. mx24.app/event guide. If you want to reach out to us via phone, 059 888-9441. 059-888-9441. See you at your next event.